Had to hurry up and get this video before everybody comes and swarms it again. We got 65 Lincoln with an LS swap. This color is beautiful. It was a 12-year project. Finally out enjoying it. Said it was a rust bucket when he bought it. Look at it, sitting on air. It's got airbags, of course. Look at this paint. Look at that.
They did everything.
They got air conditioning also. Just a beautiful car. Smells good. Smells like a new person.
He won one.
Let's see what size wheel he's sitting on. It's gotta be 22s or 4s. Oh, it's tucked up top. Let's see if we can see the back.
Yeah.
Is it on 22s or 24s? 22s.
Yeah.
You know, some people are gonna hate that, but the execution is nice. Really nice.